Are you a founder struggling to onboard and ramp your sales team quickly? Are you losing valuable time and resource trying to train your reps only to find that they're still struggling after several weeks? Well, you're not alone. Many founders find that onboarding and ramping great talent can be a real challenge. But fear not, because in this video we're going to give you 5 actionable tips to help reduce your ramp time and for your sales reps, and 11 key questions that you need to answer at the end of this video, so stick around for that. I'm Patrick of the Founder Revenue Academy, and we have worked with hundreds of early stage B2B startups, all between MVP and product market fit. And so if this is your first time seeing this video, welcome. And if you are a returning viewer, then great to have you back. If you have not done already, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and click on the bell icon so you know when we release more content like this. The first tip is to create a comprehensive onboarding plan. This should be a detailed plan that outlines specific goals and milestones for your sales reps over the next 12 weeks. By doing this, your reps will have a clear understanding of what's expected of them, and they'll be able to work towards achieving those goals in a structured and measurable way. Many businesses only look at the first week or two, so having the first quarter mapped out is a great thing to do. The second tip is to provide your reps with the right tools and resources. This includes everything from sales training materials to CRM software to sales playbooks. By providing your sales reps with this stuff, you're setting them up for success and equipping them with everything they need in order to do their job effectively. If you don't, how can you expect them to perform? The third tip is to assign a mentor or a coach to each new hire if you can. This mentor or coach should be someone who has experience selling in your industry and who can help your new reps navigate the challenges they're going to face in their first few months on the job. The fourth tip is to set achievable goals for your sales reps and to incentivize them to hit those goals. This could include anything from bonuses to promotions to public recognition. So by setting these kinds of goals with associated comp, you're creating a culture of success and encouraging your reps to work harder and excel. The final tip is to provide regular feedback and coaching to your team. This should be a continuous process and should include both positive feedback and also constructive criticism. So providing this is regular feedback and it's constructive, you're helping your reps improve their skills and become much more effective sellers. This isn't actually just for sellers, by the way. This is a team-wide, especially in the early days. This whole idea of two-way feedback is very, very important, especially when you're a small team trying to do something great together. So there you have it, 5 actionable tips to help reduce ramp time for your sales reps. So by creating a comprehensive onboarding plan, by providing your reps with the right tools to do the job and the resources, assigning a mentor, setting achievable goals, and providing regular feedback and coaching, you'll be well on your way to building a successful sales team that can help you scale your business quickly and efficiently. So do you agree with the tips? So let me know down in the comments. Now, time for 11 key questions I mentioned. The following questions are designed to help you as the founder to do an internal audit of the state of the company, and they are questions that a new joiner will likely ask. If they don't ask before joining, a good recruit will soon after starting, so it's good to get ahead. So question 1, what problem do you solve? 2, what is your ICP and where is this documented? 3, what is your buyer persona and where is this documented? 4, what is the definition of a target account? 5, where are all call recordings of discovery calls saved? Number 6, what outcomes do we deliver to our customers? Number 7, what is the DNA of a qualified deal? Number 8, what customer stories do you have and where are they saved? Number 9, what does your sales process look like and where is it documented? Number 10, why do we charge what we charge? Number 11, what is the strategic vision of the company and where can I read more about it? Having answers to all of these will be rocket fuel for your onboarding, and your new recruits will be massively grateful for the clarity. So see how you get on with that. That wraps up today's video, a slightly longer video than I usually do, But ramp time is such an important thing, and so it's important to cover everything in detail, not just with the tips but also the 11 questions as well. So I wanted to cover it in one go. So if you like this video, please do give it a thumbs up, but equally if you didn't like it, give it a thumbs down. So ask yourself, what are you going to go and do right now? Let me know down below. In the description box there is a link to our newsletter, but also a link through to what we are all about at the Founder Revenue Academy. Our tribe are all founders of early stage B2B businesses, so head over to that and check it out. I'll see you in the next one.